Is this the next big thing in Singapore's stock market? Let's dive into my recent trade that netted me over $7,600 in just 24 days. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Iggy, and I've been covering topics like stocks, finance, CPF, and everything related to growing your wealth. The Investing Iguana is ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers, with over 800,000 reads. I've produced over 600 videos with more than 280,000 watch hours as of November 2024. I also focus on regional and world economy topics. Today, I'm going to share something I don't usually do, details about a recent trade I made. In December 2024, I invested in a stock that I held for just 24 days and made a profit of $7,679. The stock in question, Yangtze Jiang Shipbuilding, ticker BS6 on the Singapore Exchange. Why Yangtze Jiang Shipbuilding? I've been keeping a close eye on Yangzijiang for months now. Back in April 2024, I made a video titled 2024's Cash Kings, Genting and Yangzijiang's Big Win. In it, I explored how companies with large cash reserves like Yangzijiang were set to benefit from high interest rates. This wasn't just about numbers on a balance sheet. It was about understanding the economic strategies that can make or break investment decisions. Then in May 2024, I dove deeper with record-breaking 21.7B orders. Is Yangzijiang a safe bet? This video was packed with financial analysis and economic insights. We looked at Yangzijiang's diverse portfolio of vessels, from container ships to oil tankers and bulk carriers. Their strategic approach to diversification ensures a steady stream of revenue, which is crucial in the volatile shipping industry. But what really caught my attention was their commitment to sustainability. Yangzijiang is focusing on greener vessels powered by alternative fuels like methanol and liquefied natural gas. This aligns perfectly with the industry's shift towards eco-friendly solutions, positioning them well for future growth. The tipping point. The real game changer came on December 8, 2024, when I released the video 96% gains Yangzijiang explodes. This wasn't just another update, it was a revelation. Yangzijiang had secured a massive $263 billion in orders, potentially making it Singapore's next market champion. Let's break down why this was such a big deal. Record-breaking order book. Yangzijiang's order book had swelled to $4.3 billion. That's not just a number, it's a testament to the company's reputation and capabilities in the shipbuilding industry. 2. Green shipping revolution. They're not just building ships, they're building the future of shipping. Their focus on eco-friendly vessels puts them at the forefront of a major industry shift. 3. Impressive financial performance. We're talking about a 96.8% year-to-date gain. That's the kind of growth that turns heads and opens wallets. 4. Major contracts. They've secured deals with industry leaders like Maersk. These aren't just any contracts, they're votes of confidence from the biggest names in shipping. But here's where it gets really interesting. Analysts were projecting a 166% two-year EPS CAGR and a robust 26.8% ROE. For those of you who might not be familiar with these terms, EPS CAGR stands for earnings per share compound annual growth rate. It's a fancy way of saying they expect Yangzijiang's profits to grow really fast over the next 2 years. And ROE, that's return on equity, which tells us how efficiently the company is using its assets to generate profits. My investment decision. After all this research and analysis, I decided it was time to put my money where my mouth is. I invested in Yangtze Jiang Shipbuilding. Now, you might be wondering, Iggy, if it's such a great stock, why did you only hold it for 24 days? Great question. It all comes down to investment discipline. While I believe in Yangzijiang's long-term potential, I also believe in taking profits when they present themselves. By closing the position with a profit, I'm able to reinvest that money into other opportunities. Remember, the market is always changing. What's hot today might cool off tomorrow. By staying agile and being willing to take profits, we can maximize our returns and minimize our risks. Lessons learned. So, what can we learn from this trade? Here are a few key takeaways. Do your research. I didn't just jump into this stock on a whim. I'd been following it for months, analyzing its performance, and understanding its place in the market. B. Look for companies with strong fundamentals. Yangzijiang's massive order book, focus on green technology, and strong financial performance all pointed to a solid company. C. Stay informed. By keeping up with daily news and market updates, I was able to spot this opportunity. That's why I always encourage everyone to watch the daily Singapore Market Digest. D. Have an exit strategy. Know when you're going to sell before you buy. For me, a 24-day hold with a significant profit was the right move. E. Don't be afraid to take profits. It can be tempting to hold on to a winning stock indefinitely, but sometimes it's smart to cash out and look for the next opportunity. What's next? So, what should you do with this information? First, if you haven't already, I strongly recommend checking out my daily Singapore Market Digest videos. They'll help you stay on top of the latest news and trends in the local stock market. Second, consider doing your own research on Yangtze Jiang Shipbuilding. While my trade was successful, remember that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Always do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. Lastly, if you're interested in learning more about how to analyze stocks like this, check out my video, 5 Key Metrics for Evaluating Singapore Stocks. It'll give you a solid foundation for doing your own stock analysis. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, stay informed, and always invest responsibly. Until next time, this is Iggy from the Investing Iguana, helping you navigate the jungle of finance and investments. See you in the next video.